Hello, in this problem we're going to be doing HackerRank's Java Int to string. This problem states you are given an integer n, you have to convert it to a string. So please complete the partially completed code in the editor. If your code successfully converts n into a string s, the code will print good job, otherwise it will print wrong answer. So sample input is 100, which is an integer. If you convert that to a string, it's going to say good job. So this is really a one-line coding answer. The things they give you, which they've collapsed here, are the libraries as well as the main method. And this main method calls a do not terminate, which doesn't allow you to bypass converting it to a string, basically. And all we need to do is convert the integer to a string. And you see down here, if that's successful, it prints good job, otherwise wrong answer. Otherwise catches errors, and then this is that do not terminate method. But we don't need to be concerned with that. All we need to do is define a string, call it s, and that is just going to equal integer to string of n, which is the passed in parameter. And that is pretty much it. Let's run that. Okay, that is successful. Now let's submit it. And that is also successful. So there you have it. One line of code is all this solution needed. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions, and we'll see you next time.